Have you ever been in an argument where you have all the facts, but the other person just won't budge? They just dig in their heels even deeper. Or hey, maybe you felt that exact same resistance in yourself. It's super frustrating, right? Well, what's so fascinating is that it's not really about stubbornness. It's about biology.
Yeah, seriously. Psychologists call it your psychological immune system, and it works almost exactly like your body's immune system. When a germ gets in, your body attacks it to keep you safe. Well, your brain does the same thing with information that threatens your core beliefs. It's a powerful, automatic defense mechanism designed to protect your worldview.
So just picture how this all goes down. It's usually something small. Maybe you're scrolling online or just talking to a friend, and you come across a fact or even just an idea that totally goes against something you believe really strongly.
And boom, instantly, without you even realizing it, alarm bells start ringing in your brain. This new information, it gets treated like a threat. And just like white blood cells rushing to fight off an infection, your mind fires up this powerful defensive reaction to shut that new idea down.
Okay, and here's the part that's going to blow your mind. You'd think that a good, solid fact would weaken a belief, right? But because of this psychological immune response, the exact opposite happens. The very act of you defending your belief reinforces it. It makes your original idea even stronger. There's actually a name for it, the backfire effect. Wow. So this all sounds kind of bleak, doesn't it? If our brains are literally hardwired to resist change, are we just stuck? Well, not exactly. Turns out the key isn't to fight this thing head on. There's a much, much smarter way to do this. The solution is to stop the frontal assault. I mean, attacking a belief directly just triggers all those defenses we were just talking about. The smarter move is to shift your focus and work from the outside in. You don't try to force the change of mind, you change the environment that shapes the mind. This idea is at the heart of a really cool concept called choice architecture. It's all about designing your surroundings to make better choices easier, almost automatic. Like when a cafeteria puts the healthy food right at eye level? That's choice architecture. You're not using willpower, you're just letting your environment gently nudge you in the right direction. Okay, but when we talk about your environment, what are we actually talking about? Because I promise you, it's probably way bigger than what you're picturing in your head right now. Your environment isn't just your desk or your room. It's everything. It is the entire network of people, places, and ideas that makes you, well, you. We're talking about your entire existence. And getting this is a huge shift in perspective. It's where all the real power for change is hiding. Just think about what this existence network is made of. It's your inner world, all your thoughts. It's your physical body. But it's also your outer world, your family and friends, the job you go to, the skills you're learning, your relationships. All of these things are totally interconnected. You're not just an isolated person. You are the sum of this whole dynamic network. And because it's a network, everything is connected, which means, and this is the best part, changing just one small piece can create a ripple effect across the entire system. You start a new workout routine and suddenly your thoughts feel clearer. You learn a new skill and it might open up a new career and new friendships. You don't have to do a massive life overhaul all at once. One small, deliberate change can start to redesign your entire self. So this leaves us with one really powerful question to think about. Looking at that whole network of your existence, your thoughts, your job, your friends, what's the one single thing in your environment you could change starting today?